Hi. Where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Germany. How about you?
I'm from the United States. Which city in Germany are you from?
I'm from Berlin. Have you ever visited Germany?
Yes, I have. I visited Munich last year. Have you ever been to the US?
Yes, I visited New York City 2 years ago. What did you like about Munich?
I loved the architecture and the beer gardens. What's your favorite thing about Berlin?
I really enjoy the history and the vibrant cultural scene. Do you speak any German?
I know a few basic phrases. Can you teach me something in German?
Sure. How about Guten Tag? It means good day. Do you like German food?
Yes, I love it. My favorite is bratwurst. What's your favorite American food?
I really like burgers. Do you celebrate Oktoberfest in Berlin?
That's interesting. Yes, we have Oktoberfest celebrations in some cities. What's the most popular festival in Berlin?
The Berlin International Film Festival is very popular. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm an engineer. Do you enjoy traveling?
I love traveling. What's your favorite place you've visited?
I really enjoyed visiting Italy. What's your dream destination?
I'd love to visit Japan. What do you miss most about Germany when you're abroad?
I miss the bread and the beer. Do you have any German friends?
Yes, I have a friend from Hamburg. Do you have any American friends?
Yes, I met some friends during my trip to New York. What's the weather like in your hometown?
It's usually sunny. How's the weather in Berlin?
Can be quite cold in winter and warm in summer. Do you like winter or summer more?
I prefer summer. How about you?
I like winter because I enjoy skiing. Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy reading and hiking. What are your hobbies?
I like playing soccer and painting. Have you tried any German sports?
I've watched soccer matches, but I've never played. What's your favorite soccer team?
My favorite team is Bayern Munich. Do you watch soccer?
Occasionally, but I'm more into basketball. Have you ever been to a basketball game?
Yes, I went to a game when I was in the US. Do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I love movies. What's your favorite German film?
My favorite is Goodbye Lenin. What's your favorite movie?
I really like Inception. Have you seen it?
Yes, it's a great movie. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I prefer the cinema. How about you?
I enjoy the cinema experience too. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music. What about you?
I enjoy electronic music. Have you been to any concerts recently?
Yes, I saw a band last month. Do you go to concerts often?
I try to go whenever I can. What's the next place you want to travel to?
I'm thinking about visiting Spain. Do you have any travel plans?
I might visit France next year. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
You too.